So now we'll see the deletion procedure in B trees. If a node to be deleted and if an element to be deleted and if that element is present in the leaf node and the leaf node contains greater than m by 2 values, then just delete that element. Okay, so let us assume if the leaf node where the element to be deleted is present, right, and that leaf node contains less than m by 2 values, then after deleting the node, so it contains that is minimum very minimum elements and it violates the property of B tree. So in order to balance the tree, so we need to take the element either from the left child, that is left sibling or right sibling. So for example, if the left sibling contains greater than m by 2 elements, then you have to push the largest element in that node to the parent and pull the intervening element to the leaf node where the element is deleted. So the same way, if the right node contains greater than m by 2 values, then push the smaller element to the parent node and pull the intervening element to the leaf node where the element is deleted. Okay, so that's the thing. For example, if the leaf node contains greater than m by 2 values, then the element is to be deleted just like that. Let us assume after deleting this element, that is if the after deleting the element, it contains less than m by 2, then you need to take the element from the left sibling or right sibling, but you need to do some changes in the left sibling. That is, you need to take the largest element from the left sibling to and push into the parent node, and the intervening element from the parent node should be pulled down to the leaf node where the element is deleted. Similarly, if I want to take an element from the right side and it contains greater than m by 2 elements, you have to push the smaller element from the right sibling to the parent node and the intervening element from the root node, or that is from the parent node to the leaf node where the element is deleted. So next thing is, for example, if the left sibling and right sibling contains exactly m by 2 nodes. Okay, so after taking the element from the left sibling or right sibling, then the left sibling contains less than m by 2 elements. Again, it violates the property of the binary, that is B tree. So what we need to do is we should create a leaf node by combining two leaf nodes and the intervening element of the parent node. Okay, so again, if the by intervening element of the parent, by taking the intervening element of the parent node, makes the parent node contains less than m by 2 elements, then you need to process the same procedure upwards. Okay, so that's the thing. And the other case is, so if a node to be deleted is an internal node, then we need to take the successor or predecessor element from the leaf node, and you need to follow the same procedure of deleting the element from the leaf node, which we discussed in the earlier. So we'll see an example for each and every case. So we'll see the deletion process in B trees. So let us take an example of B tree of order 5. So in this, I want to delete this 93. Okay, so 93 is present at the leaf node. So I have to check after deleting this 93, how many elements will be present in this leaf node. Whether it contains a maximum of m by 2, that is minimum of m by 2 elements or not. So that is, this is belongs to the first case. So that is, if the element is present at the leaf node, first check whether you have the elements greater than m by 2 elements or not. If you have the leaf node have greater than m by 2 values, then delete it. Okay, so now you just check that the leaf node contains whether contains it contains a greater than m by 2 values or not. So here this is order of 5, hence we have to check whether the leaf node contains 5 by 2 values, that is 2 values. So after deleting 93, the resultant tree will be like this. So the node 93 has been deleted. Okay, so after deleting 93, so it is having the minimum number of keys, that is m by 2. So that is 5 by 2, that is 2 values. So the tree satisfies the properties of B tree. So no issues. So now in this tree, I want to delete 201. So that is here this one I want to delete 201. So now the 201 is present in the internal node, not the leaf node. So what is the case to be followed? So if the node is an internal node, so the step is like this. We have to take the successor or predecessor element from the leaf node. So here we have to take the successor or the predecessor element. That means you have to take a no element from either left subtree or the right subtree, so that is in the leaf nodes. So as the right subtree contains more number of elements, so I have to take 243, that is the smallest value from the right sibling or the largest value from the left child. So that is 243 has been taken, and you have to replace this 201 with the 243. So then the resultant diagram will be like this. So this will be the resultant tree, that is after deleting 201. So now from this tree I want to delete 180. So that is 180 is present in the leaf node, and the leaf node contains exactly the minimum number of elements, that is m by 2. So that is in this case it contains 2 elements. If I delete this 180 directly, it contains less than m by 2 elements, which violates the property of the B tree. So the procedure is like this. So we need to take an element either from the left sibling or from the right sibling. So that is, we need to take the largest value from the left sibling, or we need to take the smallest value from the right sibling. So that is here in the right sibling we have more number of elements, hence 256 has to be taken and taken to the parent node. It has to be pushed into the parent node, and the intervening element, this 243, should be pulled down to the leaf node. So that is where this element is deleted, in that place this 243 should be replaced. So then the resultant diagram will be like this. So that is 243 is pulled down and 256 is pushed to the parent node. So this is the resultant tree. So I want to delete now the element 72. So 72 is present in the leaf node, and it exactly contains that is m by 2 elements. If I remove this 72, it contains less than m by 2 elements. So then what we need to do, we need to take an element from left to right, but left also having the exactly the same elements, that is less than or equal to m by 2 elements, and right hand also we have the same number of elements. So then we need to do this procedure. So that is, if left and right is equal to m by 2 elements, then what we need to do is, you have to create a leaf node by combining two leaf nodes and intervening element of the parent node. So that is here we need to do create a leaf node combining the both the leaf nodes. That is we need to create a new node combining all the elements of both the leaf nodes. So that is 72 is deleted and with 79, and also the intervening element of the parent node. So that is 63. So we need to create a new node. So by pulling this 63 to the leaf node, now this node contains 81. So that is, it is again less than n by 2 elements. So we need to do the procedure, same procedure again. So that is, we need to combine this node and this node into a single node by pulling this 108 element into the leaf node. So that means at this level the node will become like this. So that is 63 is already pulled down, so 81, and then 108, and then 117 and 256. Okay, so after pulling 108 to the leaf node, that is the next level, then the resultant tree will be like this. Okay, see here. So we have 36, 45, 63, and 79 here, and we have this level node as 81, 108, 117, and 256. Okay, so this is about deletion in B trees. Thank you.